Yeah, it's crazy. Okay. So how do I open this? Oh, it says this is the way up. Because the arrows are here, so. Okay. First the labels are here. So I'm gonna go assume that this is gonna be open like this. Yeah, yeah, because this is the way up. Alright, so here we go guys. I'm gonna do the unboxing of the new 3090 gaming PC. This thing. Is it gonna be sideways? I think it's gonna be sideways. Do you think it's gonna be sideways?
I don't know.
Like laying down? I feel like it's gonna be laying down because it has to be. Alright, let's see how this looks. Where are they? Here? Okay. So, oh, this is the motherboard. Oh, so I think they gave me the boxes. Like the boxes where they came in. Yeah, it's not here. So, it's already built. So, they just gave me the boxes because they want me to keep the boxes, of course. Which is good. And they gave me a box. I think these are all pieces. So, yeah. Oh, and then these are the extra cables that go into the power unit. So, all this here. Oh, so this is cool. I'm glad they gave me everything. Like, I like how they did that. So I'm gonna pretend like taking this out. Alright, so here we have a keyboard. So extra keyboard now we have. So there's gonna be a free keyboard now for sale. No, I'm just kidding. So I think that's it. Everything else will be the main PC. I'm not sure how to. I'm gonna assume. Oh. Alright, here we go. So I guess this is it. Okay, from here there's no going back. Oh, here we go. Oh, it is laying sideways. What the heck? Okay, wait. So it's this way. This is really heavy. Well, I've done this before with computers at work. So, and because it has the cushion here, I can just, let's see if I can do this. Let it slide. Quick. Oh! Oh my god. The roof. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this looks crazy. I never had a gaming PC before, so this doesn't look like a PS4 or anything like that. So it's insane. Alright. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Oh my god, this is bigger than I expected. This is bigger than I expected it to be. I don't know, man. And it's glass, and it's really cold too. Like you guys can tell. Like I'm pretty sure you guys can tell this, but like I'm touching it right now, and it's like the top is metal, and it's like freezing cold. And then this side is all glass, so it's like really sturdy. And it's good that it's cold, which means that it was really good ventilated. So, you know, we don't have to worry about having issues with anything like that. So, let's see. Oh, look! You see that? Oh my god, you see that? That's crazy. This is Branlui aquí. Like, it's like engraved in it. Here, you get it? Let me see. Oh my god. Oh look, that's the logo too. I think that's the side of how to see later. Yo, this looks crazy. It has the 3090 right there. solo hay que checar cuando salen los fotos.
A ver.
¿Tiene algún plástico más? Está emprendido.
Está encendido. Está apagado. ¿Qué? ¿No es el de atrás?
Oh, está bien.
Ah. Ahí está Yami.
Oh, yo. So we just turned it around just to do a test. It starts like getting some energy. But as you can see, here's the RAM, the Corsair all-in-one. The 3090 also lights up on the side, so it has like the RGB colors to coming from there. The fence also RGB, and I believe this line here is also RGB. It's just all red now because it's not connected to anything. So we're gonna let it rest, and then I mean not rest, but lose some energy, and then after that we're gonna connect it to the monitors and see what's gonna come out. So right now it seems like everything's working fine. I did check the power connections before I turned it on, of course, just in case anything got moved during transit, because you always want to check that. But yeah, it seems like all the fans are running, everything's running properly, so which is good news. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on with the monitors. So here we go. The monitor is on. It's just also setting up. Just the window here, but back here we're gonna continue now. We're gonna play Among Us. No, just kidding. Yeah, this is. Oh my god. Alright guys, I can see everything now. I can see what you guys are doing behind the camera. I can see everything.